Oh, welcome back to my channel, Latina Plants. My name is Jackie, and today we're going to do a shop with me. This shop with me will be at Home Depot at a different location close to my mother. If you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to subscribe. Here we're looking at some of the plants that they have in stock. They have some of your more tropical cacti. They have some of these sansevierias here, the moonshine, and I'm not sure what the yellow one is called. They have some orchids available. Here we're going to look at their grafted cacti. They are going for $5.98. And then they had these smaller little hanging baskets for $7.98. These look like they've probably been here for a while. Down below they have some of these more rare, I believe, euphorbias and cacti. And these are going for $18.98. Pretty good price for the size of cacti that you're getting. And down here they have some of these haworthias in these cute little ceramic pots, and they are going for $6.98. And of course they have the spray painted ones over here and some that are not spray painted. Just giving you a little overview of what they have in store. I decided to come to this store because my store hasn't been getting a whole lot of new things. These large pots are going for $24.98. These are really, really pointy. Again, $24.98 for the large pots here. Don't know the names of the cacti and the succulents, but I wanted to show you what they have in stock. These are going for $4.68. Really cute succulents and cacti that you can create your own arrangements for, or you can pot them up alone if you'd like. Down below they have some more haworthias here and cacti. If I'm not mistaken, you can use a blow dryer to melt the glue on these plastic flowers that they put on top of the cacti. I haven't tried it myself, but maybe you can do that to minimize any damage. Here they have some more grafted cacti for $6.98. These look really healthy. I've never tried one of those in my collection. And these succulents are going for $5.98 and $2.98. Here they have some pretty arrangements. I'm sorry I didn't give you a long depth look at those. There's just a lot of workers here and I didn't want to get anybody on camera. Here they have a bunch of the Proven Winners Leaf Joy Hoyas. They had the Freckle Splash, the Inner Variegated Wyetii. They also had the Hoya Rosita. They had the Hoya Fitchii as well as the Hoya Choke. These actually look in a lot better condition than the ones in my area. And here they have their water globes for $19.98. And in the middle of this aisle, they had this cart here. Looks like fresh new stock in their store. They had some peace lilies, some China dolls, I believe, money trees, and dracenias. And here are the larger H2O bowls that go for $29.98. They had some of these Ficus benjamina trees here from Proven Winners Leaf Joy. I believe these go for $19.98. If I'm not mistaken, it might be $29.98. And look, I found a new alocasia. I have never seen this alocasia in my stores. It's kind of fuzzy and purple toned. It's like a deep green with purple, a deep purple back. They also had the philodendron tortum. They're calling it the Twisted Sister. And here they have some more cacti and succulents available. Some smaller cacti and succulents available. And then I saw this variegated cacti here. I'm not sure what it's called, but they have these small Sansevieras. They had a really nice selection of cacti and succulents. Here are some orchids that they have clearanced out for $12.98. Some whalefin Sansevierias for $19.98. And now we're going to just take a walk through to see what else they have. Here they have the flowering kalanchoes for $9.98. They also had these ficus burgundy. These are going for $26.98. They also had some fiddle leaf figs, some dracenias with some pothos on the bottom. Here they have some sansevierias, and I believe down below was golden pothos. There were a lot of people in this store, so I'm trying not to get anybody on camera. They had a bird of paradise for $39.98. And the dracenias here are going for $19.98. And some more fiddle leaf figs down there, and also the parlor palms. Here they have some of these plants here. I believe this is a Dracaena variety. I'm not sure. They also had these braided money trees. And here they had some more of the large H2O bowls for $29.98 with some calatheas. They have some cucullata, calathea cucullata, some other anthuriums, and some philodendrons available. And here's a look at what they had for hanging baskets. They had some different varieties of ivies. And up top, they had some Hoya Crimson Princess. They also had this goldfish plant, but it didn't look too healthy. I was thinking of adding this to my collection, but I'm not sure if I want to do that just yet. They also had the lipstick black pagoda plant. And I believe this is why people don't like the lipstick plant black pagoda, because most of the time when you see it in store, it just doesn't look that healthy. So maybe it's not an easy to grow plant for everybody. I know that I have one, and she was pretty easy up until I let her get some cold air and she ended up dropping all her leaves, but she is recovering. I thought these cute little bonsai pots were a nice touch for $12.98. good price. They also had these calla lilies here. Their setup seems to be a lot like my Home Depot setup. Beautiful colors in these blooms. They also had some amaryllis bulbs available still. Over on this table, they had a few things. They had the green oxalis on the bottom there. They had this Monstera Cobra, I think they call it, from Costa Farms. And I believe these pots go for, I'm not sure if it's $17.98 or $15.98. These other pots are going for $15.98. They had some peace lilies, and back here they had some more of the proven winners line, some philodendron, and I believe this plant is a Satanthe, if I'm saying that correctly. And these pots are going for $29.98 from Proven Winners. I think it's a little pricey. They also had some philodendron silver sword with some coco coir poles, some more cucullata, some calatheas in here, some more different varieties of ficus available. And I decided to give you guys a little look at what they have outdoors. They had these beautiful hellebores for $16.98. They were just so beautiful. I had to show you guys. Pretty good price if you ask me. Love that dusty kind of rose color or mauvey pink. They also had these primroses here for $9.98. If you guys plant any of these in your garden, let me know what you think about them. Do they come back? They also had these perennials here. Some more primroses for $5.98. I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Bye!